In 1914, 8 U.S. Marines marched into the National Bank of Haiti and left with $500,000 worth of gold. In today's amounts, that's the equivalent of $14 billion. They took all the gold from the island, and shortly after, the United States invaded Haiti. They dissolved the Haitian parliament by force, they unalived over 3,000 people, and they ruled the island with an iron fist for 19 years. When asked why he did this, the Secretary of State said that the African of Hispaniola is devoid of any capacity for political organization. Recently, it came out that the reasoning was a lot more sinister. National City Bank was putting pressure on the American government to steal the wealth of Haiti. Today, National City Bank is also known as Citigroup. About countries like Haiti today, we can't neglect the fact that a lot of their internal problems today were externally caused previously.
The Marines came in and they were responsible for the death of close to 4,000 to 5,000 Haitian citizens. And the occupation lasted something like 20 years. And when they came in, what they did was seize control of all of the finances, all of the banks, and all the wealth of Haiti. And the money, Haiti's monies from his bank and his wealth was brought to America and transferred down to banks in New York. That wealth had never been returned to Haiti.
The first time the Citadel is attacked is during the U.S. occupation of Haiti in 1915. The U.S. Army stood up every day for 90 days and shoot at it while there's nobody in it.
But even then, America was fully now vested and in control of the Haitian economy. And during that occupation of the American Marines, they rewrote the Haitian Constitution. Until then, part of Dessalines' Constitution was that no land could be sold or owned by any foreign persons. Land could only be owned by Haitians of blood. Even a Haitian who had left home could no longer own land. And so what America did was change the Constitution so that Americans could buy land, and they began to buy up or seize some of the best farmland and mining lands in Haiti, and that's still true to today.
The mountains that Christopher Columbus didn't have the technology to take the gold out of, they've got the technology to do now, and they are taking that out. They say we have 20 billion in gold.
And now Haiti is important because of its geographical location and its geology. There's oil and gas in abundance off of Haiti's shore. And so one of the reasons for the Clinton Foundations and these others to saturate Haiti is there's gold in them, there are hills, and there is oil off of those shores and beaches. And so Haiti is now under a new form of exploitation, which we are calling globalism.
The Clintons were put over, and their people who worked with and for their foundation, was put over managing the billions of dollars that came into Haiti for the rebuilding process. Well, they managed it back into their foundations and their bank accounts.
For the last 13 years in Haiti, the UN has been the cover for the Bushes and the Clintons to work together and extract the resources that we have. Haiti has $120 billion worth of oil.
The International Red Cross claims that they have received from people around the world $6 billion for the quake situation in 2010. Haiti never saw.
Toussaint Louverture gave millions of dollars to a man named Stephen Girard. He was a European sea captain. And Toussaint Louverture gave him this money to get arms because they were going to set up a colony in Africa to fight slavery. And when Toussaint Louverture went to prison, Stephen Girard would not return the money to Toussaint Louverture and his descendants and his family. So Stephen Girard took the money, the millions of dollars that he got from Toussaint Louverture, came to America, started Girard College, and he really became the first American millionaire. And so a lot of people don't know that Girard College was founded on stolen money from Toussaint Louverture.
Too many people don't know about the valuable island that the United States stole from Haiti. Let's talk about it. About 35 miles off of Haiti's west coast is the Navassa Island, or La Navas. Now, this has been part of Haitian territory ever since the Treaty of Ryswick in 1697, where the Spanish passed possession of this island to the French. And now when Haiti gained independence from the French in 1804, they identified this island as being part of Haitian territory. It belonged to Haiti until 1857, when the United States came and laid claim over this island. This island is valuable. It's covered in millions of tons of guano, which is bird poop. And this bird poop is a potent fertilizer. It's often referred to as white gold. In the mid-1800s, Americans were desperate for guano. Peru had a monopoly over it because they had large amounts of this white gold in their land. And so America was searching for ways to get their own guano. So they developed the Guano Islands Act of 1856, which basically said any American was able to go seize any land that had guano if this land was uninhabited or unoccupied. The Haitian government protested and said this island belongs to us. Any exploitation of guano must be done under a license given by the Haitian government. At first, the United States said okay. They actually even allowed Haiti to raise their flag on the island. But soon after, the U.S. sent Navy ships to the Navassa Island to protect it, and they also sent a warship to Port-au-Prince in order to intimidate Haiti. The U.S. won, and they made a fortune off of this island. To this day, both Haiti and the United States claim this island.
I see what big ass done black. Small ass no fake joint. I see what big man got done. Small boy go fake joint. Finish it, 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 finish it.
Now lean back, you know the vibes, don't need shine.